Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 5. Today we will present about computer hardware. Before we begin, let me introduce our team. I am Irsyad Halimi as first presenters, Septiani as second presenters, Lisa Angel as third presenters, Salsa Sa'diah as third presenters, and Andini Fitriani as the last presenters. Okay, let's begin. I will present first. What is computer hardware? Hardware is all type of component on a computer whose physical parts can be seen with the naked eye or can be felt directly. So it can be said that hardware is physical computer equipment that is useful for input, processing, and output. What are the functions of hardware? The main function of the hardware to support computer work: display or receive process input, process data or information, provide output, and store data or information installed inside and outside the computer. In general, there are two main functions of hardware, including first, receiving input. Certain hardware has a special function to receive input made by the user. The input will be processed into new information. Second, processing data or information. After receiving input, some hardware has a special function to process the input into new information.
Type of hardware and example. 1. Input device. One type of hardware that is useful for entering information and data, whether it is in the form of video, text, image, audio, and other into computer. A. Keyboard. This device serves to help user enter symbol, number into the computer. B. Mouse. A device that functions to move the cursor on the computer screen and make it easier to select menus on the computer. C. Scanner. This hardware play a role in converting hard copy document into soft copies. This hardware is very important for archiving documents that have been stamped and signed.
Hello, my name is Lisa Angel Putri Agung, NIM 12210604. Types of hardware and example to device. Process device. This type of hardware can be useful in process data as carrying out a testing process on a computer system. A. CPU. This is the brain of the computer that control all work process on the computer from instruction processing to producing output. B. VGA is hardware that function to process graphic data, and the result of the process are displayed on the computer monitor screen. C. Random access memory or ROM is hardware device on a computer that greatly determine the speed of computer access.
The third one is output device. It's a type of hardware that is useful in displaying information and printing the results of data input that the user does. A. Monitor. It's a component that every company needs to have in carrying out various jobs. Generally, the work is related to documents and data. B. Printer. One type of hardware that you can use to print all kinds of documents you want. C. LCD projector. LCD projector serves to help display images or videos from the computer to the LCD screen.
Hello everyone, my name is Andini Fitriani Sahrial as the last presenter. First choice device. Storage device is one type of hardware that functions to store computer data. There are many kinds of storage device, which is 1. Hard disk. Hard disk is a device that functions to store information and data in computer with a large enough capacity. And 2. Flash disk. Flash disk is a data storage device from a computer that has USB connector. You can use this flash disk to transfer data from one computer to another. 3. Optical disk. Optical disk is a data storage medium that can be read or written by a laser light generally. The optical disk here is in the form of CD or DVD. 5. Peripheral device. Peripheral device is a piece of hardware that is connected to a computer to increase its usability and help work. One example is modem. You can use the modern modem as a communication tool to convert digital signals into analog signals, or vice versa. Well, that's all we can say about hardware. We hope that all of you understand better with the material that we conveyed earlier, because the existence of this device is very useful to facilitate human work and activities. Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.